Okay, now we are talking about p-series test and integral test. When we're n to the p, that is the basic function of p-series test, and we can integrate that. So that will, if p is not equals to 1, that is the integral of basic function. And we can separate to two situations, like when p greater than 1, p less than 1. When p greater than 1, we can find out, and we plug n equals infinity and 1 in. We can find out that it's constant, that is also a constant. That will be 1. So finally we can get that. But how we get the 0? Because we can write down to another equation, like, and we can write down like 1 over infinity. So because that's negative, because p is greater than 1, negative p plus 1 will be negative. So that would be 1 over infinity, that would be 0. So that will be a converged series. And when p is less than 1, we find out minus p plus 1 will be positive. So there's a constant, there's a positive. So that will be infinity. Square root infinity will also be infinity, and minus that, which is we can ignore that. So that will be infinity. So that will be diverge. And when p equals 1, we can show like 1 over n, and we need to integrate that. So that will be natural log n. We plug if infinity and 1 in, that will be natural log infinity minus natural log 1. That will be infinity minus 0. And final is also a diverged series. So the conclusion is, when p is less or equal than 1, less than 1 or equals to 1, the series will be diverged. When p is greater than 1, the series will be converged.